Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to solve a square root value with negative number. So before we further do, we need to remember that square root of negative 1 is equals to I. Equals to I. Okay, so let's begin with the first question. We are going to expand the value. How? We will put the square root, then negative 1 multiply by 4. Okay, so we write them separately, so it is going to be easier. So square roots of negative 1 multiply by square root of 4, multiply and square root of 4. So let's solve this one. As we know that square root of negative 1 is equals to I. So we will write I multiply, we'll solve this one, which is 2. So 2 multiplied by I is equals to 2I. So here is our first answer. Okay, let's do the second one. We'll do the same thing. We'll put the square root and then expand the values with negative 1 multiply by 25, and then likewise we will write them separately. So square root of negative 1 multiply by square root of 25, as we have done before, like square root of negative 1 is equals to I multiply by square root of 25 is 5. I multiply by 5 will give you 5I. Okay. Third question. Equals to square root of, we will expand like we did before, negative 1 multiply by 81, then we will write separately negative 1 multiply by square root of 81. Just likewise square root of negative 1 is equals to I, so we will write I multiply by 9. I multiply by 9 will give you 9I. And in the last question, same thing, we will expand the values. Square root negative 1 multiply by 100. So then we will write separately square root of negative 1 multiply by square root of 100. So square root of negative 1 is equals to I multiply, and square root of 100 is 10. So I multiply by 10 will give you 10I. 10I. So here we have done with the last question as well. If you understand these questions, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share my video with your friends.
सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, बेल आइकन को दबाइए, लाइक, कमेंट, शेयर कीजिए।